I applied for GKN for an apprenticeship. I wasn't successful. However, EEF noticed that I was a certifiable student that would be able to cope with an apprenticeship. So they recommended me to a company, Barrett Steel Tubes Division.
I'd been at my company for 2 years. I worked as a machine operator and this opportunity came up and I thought I like problem solving and fault finding. So I thought this is a better opportunity than ever and it's got a good future for me.
A lot of my friends were doing apprenticeships and they were telling me that they were gaining qualifications that I was already gaining at college. So I realised, why not do both, earn money and also do the qualifications, which is what I'm able to do here at EEF.
From being a machine operator to being an engineer, it's just learning more about the components that you were using, like the machines. You can go into more detail. Before I only saw one half of it, and now I can see the other half, the mechanical and the electrical side of it.
For the BTEC, we actually did CAD in the drawing for technicians, and the same software that we use for CAD here is also used in my workplace as well.
I would like to study as an engineer, see what my job prospects are the future for continuous improvement. And this place has given me a lot of confidence because we went away for a week and we did some team building and some leadership skills. It really made me feel more confident in what I was doing.
I'm hoping to become a multi-skilled maintenance engineer. EEF will help me to reach my future career goals because it's given me the skills that I need to be able to work in the environment that I'll be working in. It also helped me to be able to make sure that I can actually benefit my company as well.